Section 3132, Example 3. Bailey holds all the hearts from a standard deck of 52 playing cards. So the hearts, there are 13 hearts in a standard deck of playing cards, including an ace, numbers 2 to 9, 10, jack, queen, king. He asks Morgan to choose a single card without looking. Determine the odds in favor of Morgan choosing a face card. So we're looking for odds in favor, and that is comparing our favorable outcomes to our unfavorable outcomes. First of all, just to describe what a face card is, the face cards are a jack, a queen, or a king. There are 3 cards that have a face in that group of 13 hearts. So there are 3 favorable outcomes. The total number of outcomes, so we're looking for unfavorable outcomes. We are going to take our total outcomes and subtract our favorable outcomes. There are 13 hearts. There are 3 face cards. So there are 10 non-face cards, 10 unfavorable cards. This cannot be reduced, so the odds in favor of choosing a face card is 3 to 10.